What's going on, guys? Kris and Tim back at it again, ringing the bell for the Salvation Army. We have a great time doing this every year for the Henderson County Help Center and for the Salvation Army. It's a great ministry, a great foundation to be a part of. But you know what? Doing this 2 years in a row, we've learned some things. Last year, we showed you there are many different ways to ring the bell. This year, we felt it very, very important for you to understand that there are many, many ways for people to avoid you while you're ringing the bell. Here's a list of the things we've come up with. Hope you enjoy it.
Way down in Louisiana, down in New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny Good. He never ever learned to read or write so well. He could play the guitar just like he's ringing a bell. Go, go!
The random phone call speedwalker.
Oh, Merry Christmas, sir. Sir.
You just made the list!
Then there's the I left my change in the other pair of pants guy.
Oh, Merry Christmas, sir. I left my change for the other pair of pants. Not gonna help you much in Walmart, is it? Here we have the abundant giver.
Oh, I love this holiday. Sir.
Whoa! Whoa!
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Then there's the I'll catch you on the way out guy.
Merry Christmas, sir. I'll catch you on the way out. All right. I guess we'll see.
You just made the list!
You lie.
Tim, where did that one guy go? Said he was gonna come back.
Yeah, I've been looking for him. I don't. Wait a minute.
Is that him?
That's him.
There he is.
That's him.
Get
Hey,
him.
sir.
That's
Sir.
him right there. Get him.
Sir. Wait. Sir. Wait.
He's fast. He's really, really fast.
And here we have the grand distraction.
Merry Christmas, sir. Oh, hey, man, I like to get up. You're playing those bells really good, man. Really good. Hey, what kind of plant is this right here? Is this ficus? Is that ficus? That looks like a ficus right there.
You just made the list!
No! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Made the list!
No!
What? Made the list!
I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
So, as you can see, as we demonstrated for you right there, there's lots of ways that you can avoid the bell ringers or avoid the bucket. You know, it's not gonna hurt you. It's just a sweet little bucket. You can put money in there.
It's not gonna hurt anybody. As a matter of fact, it's gonna help a whole lot of people. You see, every station you see, whether it's gonna be at Walmart or Brookshire's or wherever in Henderson County, all of the money that goes in here as donations stays in Henderson County. So, it's not gonna hurt anybody. It makes some really cool noises too. So when you hear this, or you hear this, stop, drop some quarters, some pennies, empty your pockets, or you could drop my favorite kind of change in there. It's also Tim's favorite kind of change, fold-in change. We like some of that fold-in change.
Especially Benny.
Benny's, some Benny fold-in change. That's like a really cool name.
And Andrew,
anyway,
time to time.
so we want to fill these things up all over. So, and we want you to shake our hands, want some high fives, want you to sing along with us. If you got some dance moves, break them out because we got music going. We're going to be having a whole lot of fun.
So, on behalf of me and Kris, if you would like to join us in the bell ringing, please let us know. We would love to have you join us. Also, from both of us, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year and be eternally blessed.